Hi everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office in Grand Junction, Colorado. And better late than never, we're here to do our September 2018 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. The month of September was pretty dry and warmer than normal, which is pretty different than what we're currently experiencing with October. So let's go ahead and jump right in. On September 1st, we got to provide on-site weather support for our partners in Parachute for Rock Jam 2018. This is a view of the Garfield County Incident Command Center, their trailer, and this is a view inside the trailer where we were able to set up our operations for providing that on-site support. So we don't always spend our days in the weather office. The first week of the month, we were able to see our first snowfall of the season for some of our mountain areas, the highest elevations. A couple good disturbances moved into the area, which dropped snow levels down to 13 or 14,000 feet. So this is a view on September 6th of the San Juan Mountains and September 9th of the Sawatch Range. So like I mentioned, September was pretty dry, but the last few days of the month, we were looking towards the first few days of October with the remnants of Hurricane Rosa moving into the desert southwest. So ahead of that system, we participated in numerous conference calls with other forecast offices, as well as the Weather Prediction Center and the National Hurricane Center. And one such call took place on September 30th. Looking at precipitation across the region for the month, all of our automated stations reported below normal precipitation, with the Grand Junction and Kamloops airports only receiving a trace of rainfall for the month. The highest precipitation occurred at the Cortez Airport with 1.40 inches, which was still 0.38 inches below normal. The greatest deficit was at the Craig Airport, which was 1.72 inches below normal for the month. Looking at temperatures for the region across the month, so we were still in the 90s for some areas, with the warmest temperature occurring at the Canyonlands Airport in Moab, Utah, which was 95 degrees on September 9th and 10th. The coldest temperature occurred at the Craig Airport with 25 degrees on September 26th. Looking at the latest state of the drought, so we can still see that exceptional drought persisting in the Four Corners region, with severe drought extending a little bit further north of that. The outlook for October, which we've already seen start to develop in our region, the drought persisting but improving, with several areas, including the northwest portion of Mesa County, seeing a 1-category improvement in the drought. Looking at the climate outlook for October, the Climate Prediction Center is favoring warmer than normal temperatures persisting in southwest Colorado, but a chance of above normal precipitation across much of the southwestern United States. We've already started to see some of this with all that rainfall that we've been receiving during the first couple weeks of October. And that wraps up our 2018 September climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in a couple weeks for October. Have a good one.